Today we're going to be looking at 5 houses for sale in Kingston. House number 1. This is a 4-bedroom 5-bathroom house found in Whispering Woods in the Kingston 8 area. The size of this house is 5,000 square feet and it sits on 3/4 acres of land. This house is currently on the market for $950,000 US. Let's go ahead and take a look. We first have the living area. Next is the TV room. We then move from there to the dining area. And followed by that, we have the kitchen. We're then going to move on to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. Second bedroom. Third bedroom. And this is the 4th bedroom. For the bathrooms, there were no images provided. We then move from here and we're going to head on the outside. That would be the end of house number 1. House number 2. This 4-bedroom 5-bathroom townhouse is found in the gated community of Dillsburg Manor in the Kingston 6 area. The size of this house is 3,200 square feet and it's been listed for $880,000 US. Let's go and take a look. First, we have the front porch. We then move right along to the living area. Dining area. And next we have the kitchen. Followed by that is the office. And then we're going to move on to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. This is a walk-in closet that comes with the bedroom. Second bedroom. Third bedroom. And this is the 4th bedroom. For the bathrooms, there were no images provided. We then move from here and head to the back of the house. And that would complete the images for house number 2. We move right along to house number 3. This is a 8-bedroom 10-bathroom house found in Valley Close in Stony Hill, Kingston 9. The size of this house is 8,970 square feet and it's on the market for $750,000 US. Let's go in and have a tour. First, we have living area number 1. We then move on to living and dining area number 2. And this is living and dining area number 3. Next are the kitchens. Here's kitchen number 1. This is the second kitchen. And this is the third kitchen. We then move on to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. Second bedroom. Third bedroom. And this is bedroom number 4. This house has 8 bedrooms, however only 4 were shown. Next, we have the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom, second bathroom, and this is the third bathroom. Out of 10 bathrooms, only 3 were shown. Next, we have the balcony. And finally, here are some images just showing the layout of the property. That will then end house number 3. We move right along to house number 4. For house number 4, it is a 4-bedroom, 5-bathroom house found in Beverly Hills in the Kingston 6 area. The size of this house is 3,280 square feet and it's being sold for $780,000 US. Let's go on the inside. Here we have living area number 1. And this is a second living area. We then move on to the dining area. And next is the kitchen. Followed by that, we have the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. Second bedroom, third bedroom, and this is the fourth bedroom. Up next are the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom. And this is a second bathroom. This house has 5 bathrooms, however only 2 were shown. We then move from here and head on the outside. That will be the end of house number 4. House number 5. This 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom house is located in Jacks Hill in the Kingston 6 area. The square footage of this house is 6,778 square feet and it's on the market for $2.1 million US. Let's take a look. Here we have the living and dining area. Next is the kitchen. Followed by that is the ballroom. We then move on to the bedroom. Out of 4 bedrooms, only 1 is being shown. Next is the bathroom. This house has 4 bathrooms, however only 1 is being shown. We then head back on the outside. And as you can see, this house actually has a swimming pool to the back. That would be it for house number 5. This would also bring us to the end of the video, so if you are interested in any of the houses that were shown, I'll be leaving all the information down below in the description box for the realtors and also the links for the houses. If you made it this far, thanks so much for sticking with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.